Power Wheels Body Redesign Part 2. I'm using joint compound because it's easy to sand. I really wish I got the fast drying compound because this took about 3 to 4 days for it to cure. I'm using a block sander with 220 grit. So this doesn't have to be perfect. I will be placing tape directly over it. As you can see, it's not perfect. I'm using Super 77 spray adhesive by 3M, so the tape will stick to the joint compound. Fiberglass does not like flex fix tape. Here I'm laying it down as smooth as I can. I try not to overlap it too much. Sharpie or a paint pen will transfer to the fiberglass. I will use this as a guide to cut my holes. So this is it, completely taped up. I have fiberglass chopped strand mat. I put relief cuts to help it lay down. I use the spray adhesive on the sides to help it from falling off. I always use a respirator when dealing with the resin. I like to use about 10 ounces at a time. I use about 10 drops of catalyst per ounce. I like to make sure that I have it mixed as well as possible. The last thing you want is uncured fiberglass. So here I'm slapping on the fiberglass with a disposable brush. I'm letting the resin completely soak through the fiberglass. Once I see that it's completely transparent, I just move on. Sometimes I'll get some air pockets and I will work the fiberglass until it's completely gone. Sometimes it'll come back, but you just gotta keep working it. I'm doing about 2 layers of mat, and in some areas I'm doing about 3 layers. In areas like these, I like to use pre-cut strips. The sides need a lot of attention since the fiberglass wants to fall off. Baby powder closes the pores and helps with the itch. I'm using a Dremel to cut all the excess fiberglass off. I'm using the tape as a guide. Alright, now it's time to remove the body. This is the best part. It's like opening up Christmas presents. Don't mind the green sweatshirt. I was feeling like Hulk. Man, I'm making a huge mess. Alright, well here's a test fit. It's looking pretty dang good. So there it is. Let me know what you think and subscribe for part 3. Thanks for watching.